Whether you're whipping up a fresh breakfast, a quick snack, or a delicious dinner, having the right gadgets and tools can make all the difference. So, let's check out this must-have electric collection that will transform how you cook. Perfect breakfast setup. Start your morning with freshly made meals using these top-notch kitchen gadgets. Quick and easy snacks. Whether you're craving a crispy treat or a warm, gooey snack, these tools make it effortless. Dinner made simple. Cut down on prep time and cook like a pro with these high-powered electric appliances. Premium cutlery set and cutting board. Sharp, durable knives and a sturdy board make chopping, slicing, and dicing a breeze. Versatile and efficient. From meal prepping to serving, this kitchen collection helps you save time and effort. If you love cooking fast, eating fresh, and having the right tools in your kitchen, this set is a game changer. No more struggling with dull knives or slow appliances. Just effortless, delicious meals every time. Want to upgrade your kitchen today? Click the link below to grab your electric collection